We all want to escape the matrix, but what if I tell you that unknowingly we are creating a new one for ourselves, which I call it self-help matrix. Reading, memorizing, watching endless videos, books, and podcasts about self-help, productivity, manifestation, visualization, meditation with no action, it feels like growth, but in reality, it's just another illusion. It's another matrix that we are creating for ourselves. In today's video, we are going to discuss how self-help matrix is addictive, how we can escape it, and the most important, the steps that we can take to create real, tangible change in our life. So stay with me. Why self-help matrix is so addictive? The reality is that we watch all these videos about motivation, the manifestation, read self-help book, and our brain release dopamine, that feel-good chemicals. It's just like we are progressing, but in reality, we are not doing anything. Think about it. How many times you watch a productivity video, then you feel inspired. What you do? Next, you go back to watch the next and the next and the next video. Self-help content creates the illusion of growth, but with no action is unfortunately just the illusion. It's comfortable because it doesn't require any action. So no action feels good because there is no failure, there is no struggle, there is no mess. But comfort doesn't lead to any changes. Here's the problem. The more content we consume, the more overwhelmed we feel. With so many advice, wake up at 5 o'clock, journal, meditate, it's easy to feel paralyzed. So what we do, we watch another and another and another because we think finally somehow with the next one maybe we can get it right. So the cycle continues. Watch, feel good, memorize, and go to the next. And this cycle keep going on and on and on. But the problem is we feel so overwhelmed with all those contents that then we feel paralyzed because we think it's our problem. We can't get it right. There is something wrong with us. Just let me give you an example. You read 5 books about swimming. Technically, you're expert on swimming, but you refuse to jump on water. So, good luck if you decide to swim. So how we can get out of this matrix? By stopping just memorizing. Pick one book, one video that resonates with you and is an actionable step that you have to take right today. Choose it. Write it down in a piece of paper right now. Pause this video. Search on your memories what you learned and memorized. Write it down in a piece of paper. Choose one action that your life requires right now. Write it down. Break it into manageable steps and celebrate each step. One rule is very important. For every hour of learning, spend 1 hour of practicing. Action, 1 hour will help you to change your life. For instance, you are learning about time management. Block 10 minutes of your time every day. After 10 days, see what's the change and what is the progress that you make. Celebrate it. There was a time when I was studying positive psychology, reading thousands of books on self-help, studying. I wanted to be the first, passing the exam. But then there was a moment when I took the first slap of universe, a problem that I faced, and it was very huge, and I couldn't help myself. Why? Because I was expert of swimming in theory, but in reality, I never swim. So I decided before giving you the medicine, take it by myself. And that really truly helped me to change my life to better and more balanced life. Escaping the self matrix is all about taking action. It's not about quitting self-help content, but without action, we are not doing anything. We are just creating another illusion of change. So don't forget to take the first action today. There is a challenge. Pause this video right now. Breathe for just a few seconds and see how you feel. And then write down the first step that you're taking right now. Please share it with me. I'll be very interested to know what steps you're taking. We can start a conversation about the steps that we are taking and how we are going to change our life. Subscribe, share this video if you think it can help someone. If you enjoyed it, like it, and together we can create the changes right today in our life. Tangible change, not just memorize the changes. Actions is the most important part of learning. Learning without action, it's just nothing. It's just an illusion. So until next time, goodbye.